Today with us we have a puzzle book. It's for babies and toddlers. So let's take a look inside the book. And it's about farm animals. Stroke my mane and whinny and neigh to make me happy. Feed me some hay. Move your fingers from left to right, and a lovely brown horse will be in sight. Move your finger from left to right, and it's a horse. Good. Next page. I play in the barn and lay lot of eggs. Eat them for breakfast with some bread. Spin the picture round and round. A feathery chicken can be found. Round, up, round and round. A feathery chicken. Next page. With my woolly friends on grass I chew. My dad's a ram and my mom's a ewe. Move your fingers from bottom to top, and into view a pretty sheep will hop. From bottom to top. And it's a pretty sheep. Next page. I have two horns upon my head. I munch on everything. I love to be fed. Slide your fingers from side to side, and a friendly goat will appear inside. Side to side. Side to side. It's a goat. Now we've gone and finished the quest. Can you complete the rest of the test? Before your fun here comes to an end, can you name our farmyard friends? Horse, chicken, sheep, and goat. We've completed the book. Hope you find it interesting.